What's going on YouTube? It's your boy TJ. I'm back again with another video. So I have this bag, Summit. I have an oil catch can I'm going to install for you guys. So let's open it up. Alright, so let's open it and see what we got inside. There we go. Alright, so here's the JLT oil catch can. Filter. Put that up there. Here's the mount holder for it. And it comes with 2 screws. And of course, instructions. So, let's begin. So right now I'm about to remove the PCV, the factory PCV line right now. You might need a little tool to help you to remove this. And just wiggle the end part. There. Remove that piece. Also, there is oil in here, so be careful with this so you won't get oil all over the place. Alright, you guys, so I had to go to the store and buy this 15 mm so I can put it right here to unscrew this part. That's where the bracket's gonna sit, right here. Like that. So once you have this unscrewed, all you do is put the bracket on like this, then screw it back in. Alright, so make sure this goes in. Push it all the way in till it stops. And then go right here. Make sure it go all the way in. That's good. Now I gotta screw this so this won't move around. It comes with 2 screws. Did that wrong. There, and it's all done. So now to check it is you screw this way, go down, and there will be some stuff in there. And you just screw it back up. There, I'm done. The point of the oil catch can is to reduce the amount of oil vapors recirculating into the intake of the engine. So that's why I got this installed on my Dodge Charger. I enjoyed this install, but make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace.